I begin to I begin to
Hello, pageantry lovers! Hinirang si John Wayne Alba bilang bagong kinatawa ng titulo ng Mr. International 2026 na nagmula pa sa probinsya ng Laguna. Nag-stand out at bongga ang kanyang ipinamala sa finals night ng Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide 2026 na nagwagi ng titulo ng Mr. International 2026. Kaya ngayon si John Wayne Alba ang ipapadala ng Pilipinas sa bansang Thailand. Ngayong 2026, marami ang nabahala at nag-react sa social media ng kanyang pagkapanalo kung kaya ba niyang tapatan at higitan yung nagawa ni Kirk Bondad sa Mr. International stage at kung kaya ba niyang makuha ang back-to-back crown. Panoorin ang bidyong ito. Narito mga ka-Mars ang mga comment ng mga pageantry lovers natin na nag-react tungkol sa back-to-back round ng Mr. International 2026. Don't put pressure on our King John Wayne Alba. We just don't know what will happen next to him. But let's just leave that to him. I know he was chosen to bring home this title and we know he will do good soon. He will surprise us all, so happy and proud of you always. Our King John, the next Mr. International 2026 winner. He needs to work hard for his body just like Kirk Bondad and master the Q&A portion. I think nothing is impossible through his dedication and hard works. I believe you, John Wayne Alba. Yun lamang mga ka-Mars.